Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can solve wallpaper zoom in problem in Android home screen. So if your Android wallpaper is zoomed in on the home screen and doesn't display as expected, I'm going to show you the steps to fix it through this video. So first, you can check for the wallpaper settings on your phone. Use the built-in wallpaper settings. So you can go to the settings in here and just find the wallpaper settings. This one, for example, locks screen on wallpaper. It may also says wallpaper and style. It depends on your device. And then you can just find the wallpaper setting. You can now just select your desired wallpaper, and then you can adjust the size. For example, here, okay, I'm going to use this ones right here. You can adjust the size using this one. Make sure it's properly centered or fits the screen. And you can also disable the wallpaper zoom on scrolling. So if your device has a setting for wallpaper scrolling or parallax effects, you can just turn it off, because this effect can make wallpapers appear zoomed in or move when swiping between home screens. And next, you can also resize the wallpaper manually. So you can find out your screen resolution, and after that you can edit the wallpaper in app like Canva, Photoshop, or photo editor to match the exact resolution of your screen and reapply the resized wallpaper. You can also change launcher setting if you are using a custom launcher such as Nova launcher or Microsoft launcher. You can open the launcher settings and look for options like wallpaper zooming or transition effects and disable them, and reapply the wallpaper to ensure it fits correctly. You can also use a third-party wallpaper app like Wallpapers by Google, Zed, or Backdrops that will automatically adjust wallpaper to fit your screen without zooming issue. So you can just download and set your wallpaper using these apps for better results. You can also clear the cache or reset the launcher. You can find your launcher and clear the cache. So I'm not using one, so I can show you how. You can just clear the cache of the app and start your device and set the wallpaper again. And lastly, you can also just try to restart your device, because sometimes a simple restart can fix display glitches or settings that are not applied properly. So that's all for me. By following the steps, I hope your wallpaper should display without being zoomed in on your Android home screen. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.